Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this Mickey Mouse nose. See how to crochet nose. Please use black color yarn. For that we will make a slip knot. After slip knot we will make 7 chain crochet stitches. After we are done with 7 chain crochet stitches, the first stitch, which is after the current loop on the needle, in that stitch and the last stitch, we will make 5 double crochet stitches in first stitch itself. First stitch and the last stitch. In these two stitches we will make 5 double crochet stitches. And first I'll complete 5 double crochet stitches and show you. Once we are done with the 5 double crochet stitches in first stitch, then from stitch 2 to stitch 6 we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only 1 loop of each stitch. Okay, from stitch 2 to stitch 6 we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only 1 loop of each stitch. And in 7th stitch we will again make 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself, that is 7th stitch. In first stitch and 7th stitch we are supposed to make 5 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. No, I'm not in each single stitch, only in first and last stitch. Here we are done with the 5 double crochet stitches in the last stitch, 7th stitch. Now we are done with those 5 double crochet stitches in our last stitch, 7th stitch. We will just turn it upside down and we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch starting from 6th stitch to 2nd stitch. Okay, see, in first and 7th stitch we have made 5 double crochet stitches. Now in 6th stitch we will make 1 double crochet stitch, 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. Okay, till here we will make 1 double crochet stitch using only 1 loop of each stitch. And when we reach 2nd stitch we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here we reach 2nd stitch. No, sorry, one more to go. Here we reach the 2nd stitch. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And our first round is complete. Okay, see. Now we will just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it, and our nose is complete. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. So after completing, our nose looks like this. This is the final nose. Now this is how a Mickey Mouse nose looks on that crochet Mickey Mouse applique. Cute little nose. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. As you have seen, complete video was with detailed instructions, slow demonstration, easy explanation. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.